I was just another soul in the city, tired, numb, and fading.
Breaking a technology to record and replay dreams has been developed.
At first, I watched, curious, cautious. Happiness levels in dream worlds are consistently higher than in reality. They lined up, eager to escape. Maybe I should try it, just once. In the dream, the world was perfect, soft, bright, and endless. This is the life I always wished for. But waking up made the real world feel colder than ever. So people stopped waking up.
Warning! Dream addiction is dangerous. Stay away.
Too late. Entire rooms, cities, countries, asleep. Should I stay awake or just let go? Goodbye, reality.
And then the world fell silent. From space, the Earth looked calm, as if it was dreaming too.
I'm finally free.
Please come back, wake up.
But I was already gone. And as the dream deepened, I faded into it.
What if this life we live now is just someone else's dream?